We are already into the second week of IPL 2025 and a lot of things are getting clearer with every match, especially the team combinations and the retention or auction strategies that the teams used before this season. Obviously, like every mega auction, many teams had to let go of some of their proven match winners, and in the case of some, a lot of noise has been created. So, here let's have a look at the players who should have been retained or bought back during the auction by their franchises, according to the popular opinion. Shreyas Iyer, at the moment it seems to be a huge mistake by the KKR management to let Shreyas Iyer go. The kind of form that he is in currently and the confidence with which he is moving, it is evident that this man is at the peak of his ability. Thus, it is only logical to think that KKR should have gone full throttle for him during the auction, after having failed to retain him before that.
Jos Buttler, one of the most prolific foreign recruits ever, Jos Buttler has been the epitome of batting consistency. He has scored runs in heaps in the recent seasons. Thus, it appeared quite surprising when RR announced their retention list without including him. They didn't even go for him during the auction. At the moment, the RR side looks a bit thin in terms of international presence and overall as well. Hence, it is fair to say that they should have definitely retained him. Ashutosh Sharma, this young man was one of the finds of last season as he played some incredible knocks for his team in high-pressure situations. Thus, it was expected that PBKS would try their best to retain him this year, which they didn't manage to do eventually. Their team combination and the retention rule didn't allow them to do so. However, they could have gone for him all out during the auction, which they didn't do as well. Ashutosh Sharma proved to everyone that his performance last year was no fluke as he played another blinder in the very first match of this season and won a match from an impossible situation. Although PBKS themselves are in good form so far, had they managed to find a way to have him in the team, they could have been even more powerful. MD Siraj. According to many fans, RCB didn't do well in letting MD Siraj go. He did ball his heart out for the franchise over many seasons, and he definitely deserved to be in the team. He bowled a brilliant spell and won the Player of the Match 2 against RCB at Bengaluru this season and looked in great rhythm. RCB, historically speaking, has always struggled in the bowling department, especially on a home ground that is a batting paradise. Hence, they would have done well to retain someone like Siraj, who had gathered a lot of experience in playing on that ground.
Many fans and pundits also think that SRH should have retained Bhuvneshwar Kumar, KKR should have retained Mitchell Starc, RR should have retained UG Chahal, CSK should have retained Santner, RCB should have retained Du Plessis, and the list goes on and on. Here is a poll I conducted about the retentions or buybacks. The majority of the voters think KKR should have retained Shreyas Iyer. Well, it is still a very early stage of the tournament, and the plots will change a lot in the coming weeks, as we have seen in the past. Hence, we will have a better idea about these decisions in a few weeks' time. Whether these were absolute blunders or genius masterstrokes, only time will tell. Till then, stay tuned and enjoy the season. Also, if you have any other names in your mind who should have been retained or bought back by their franchise, then do let us know in the comments.